guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, makeup, hair, hauls, fashion hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporter. Thank you so much, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, we're going to be trying on some of EYELILY contact lens, and they are beautiful. I have 6 pair here that we're going to be trying. I'm telling you guys, they are stunning, so get prepared to be in love, because you will be. So EYELILY have so many beautiful light color contact that's great for dark eye like mine, if you have the dark eyes too. And they show so beautiful on the eyes, and they do have amazing affordable prices, and now is a great time for buy a Valentine's Day gift. Nothing better than a beautiful pair of lenses, right? Yes. So we're going to be trying them out. If you wear prescription, they also offer prescription eye contact, so which is great. So let's start trying this beauty here, so this video don't get so long. So this is how the contact lens come in the box. I have the 6 pair of them here. Super pretty box. I have a discount code for you guys. The discount code is Paula, where you can get 20% off your order. Or if you don't want to use that discount code, you still can get 10% off your order. If your order is up to $49, you can use the discount code EL10 for 10% off, and I'm gonna put the discount code here also on the video description for you guys. So if you guys like to pick them up, you're gonna love it. They are beautiful, they are gorgeous, and they do send you the little contact lens box that you can take your contact lens and put away, store. And these contact lenses are very durable. You can use them up to 1 year. You just have to clean and store them good, so that's how long they last. So it's a great investment. First one that we're going to try, and this one is called Starry Sky Gradient. And all the contacts that come with the EYELILY little case, and come with a little tweezer and a little applicator. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, so I have the first one in place. Got one with and one without. So beautiful. So now I'm just gonna go in and put the second pair in, so we can see how beautiful they look. So give me 1 second. Starry Sky Gradient, and I don't know if you guys can see, but they actually have like a little moon and a couple little stars in the contact. It's so pretty, really beautiful, and they show really good in dark eyes. So now let's try our next EYELILY eye contact. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the next color that's going to be trying is going to be this one here. This one is the cherry gray color contact. So I'm gonna be looking in my mirror over here. I'll show you guys in 1 second what I look like. Alright guys, so this is what it look like with one and one not. One with and one without. Very different contact. Alright, so I have the second pair in, and that's what it look like. Yeah, this one definitely make your eyes look very dark, like mysterious, but very beautiful. So the next one that we're going to be trying today is going to be the pearl gray colored contact lens. First one going in. So this is one with and one without. Very beautiful, very pretty. And this is what the contacts look like, and this one is the pearl gray. So guys, very pretty, and they look really good on dark eyes. Look how beautiful they look on dark eyes. Yeah, so this is the pear gray. So our next pair is gonna be Sri Lanka green. Okay, so the first pair is going in. Oh my god, I love this one. Definitely, I think it's one of my favorite. This is a color that I normally would wear on my everyday. So this is the Sri Lanka green and they are stunning. So I'm gonna put the second pair in so you guys can see how it looks, but it's very pretty. This is how gorgeous this one looks. Definitely by far is one of my favorite. So beautiful. It's just like a beautiful natural green, right up my alley. I live for this contact. Gorgeous, love it. And they look so good on dark eyes. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna try to move them a little bit so you can see. Looks amazing. The next color we're going to try is gonna be Fisher green. I think that's the name, right? My nails have little dark spots on them. It's just mascara for my eyes. When I apply the contact, I water a little bit. This one is the Fisher green. It look like I don't know. I would love to use this with a Halloween costume. Different one without. So I'm gonna put another one in and I'll come back to show you. So different. It's more. I would wear this definitely for Halloween with a Halloween costume. You know, I don't know. What do you guys think? Right? No, it's not different. I'm going to move them a little bit so you guys can see how well they fit on dark eyes. Last but not least is going to be the honey fruit green. Alright, so this is one with and one without with the honey green. Very beautiful color, very beautiful. This one also make your pupil look big. Very beautiful. Alright, and this is all for this video review try on haul on EYELILY. If you guys have any question about the brand, please drop in the comment below and I will answer the best I can. So let me know which one was your favorite contact lens. I just want to let you guys know that I do have a discount code for you guys. Discount code is Paula. You can get 20% off your order, and if you don't want to use my discount code, no problem, no matter to you guys, and you still can have 10% off of your order if it's up to $49, which is fabulous. They have amazing contact lens, very affordable, and they are yearly disposable, so you can use them, and if you store them and take care of them, they can last up to 1 year, which is fabulous. I love things that last long, right? Save us money. Eye contact lens down in the description of this video, so if you guys want to try them out. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.